Do you know that most people with stunted hair growth and excessive breakage or shedding are missing something in their hair care routine? In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare the most effective, the most potent length retaining deep conditioner right from your kitchen. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know how to save money and grow healthy hair just using natural homemade ingredients. So let's get right to it. Step 1. I'll start by boiling my flaxseed and rosemary. I already made a batch earlier and I'm reboiling the leftovers to extract more gel. This is going to add more sleep to the deep conditioner. Step 2. Grab 2 overripe avocados. Cook them into a clean bowl. The riper the better. They will blend smoother and pack more moisture. Step 3. Crack in 1 egg. This is going to give the conditioner a protein boost to strengthen the hair. Step 4. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will help soften and deeply nourish the hair strands. Step 5. Strain the flaxseed gel into a bowl. It doesn't matter if it is hot or cold. It is going to help with easy detangling. Step 6. Mix everything thoroughly. I used a hand mixer to get it super smooth and creamy. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can go ahead and use your hand. Step 7. Use a wig cap or a clean socks or a strainer to strain the mixture and to get rid of any particles. This is because we do not want any particles to get stuck in the hair. We want it as smooth as possible. I'm sure you saw what happened there. It wasn't funny at all. I had to call for help. So you can also call someone to hold the strainer or whatever for you to make it easier. But if you can do it on your own, then that's okay. Can you see how slippery our deep conditioner is, even without straining? That is the aim. That is what will make the detangling easier. Yay! Our deep conditioner is ready. So I'm going to be applying this on a freshly washed hair. And I'm going to do it in small sections, making sure that each strand is coated from the tip to the roots. So here I'm just dividing my hair into small sections. If you're doing this, you have to be very gentle. So you can see I poured in my conditioner into an applicator bottle to make it easier. So I'm going to apply that in small sections, as you can see, starting from the ends, from the tips. I am not really focusing on the roots. So the tip is the oldest part of the hair. So that is where I am really focusing on, because that is the part of the hair that is prone to breakage. So after that, you can go in with a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush, whichever one works for you. Feel free. If you're okay with just finger detangling, then it is still okay. Take your time. Do not be in a rush. Do not be in a hurry. Remember the purpose of this. It is to reduce breakage and to retain length. So if you are to retain length, you have to be very gentle with your hair. You have to take your time. You do not have to be in a hurry. So when you're done with each section, you just twist it down so that it won't get in the way. So I am going to repeat the entire process until I'm done with the whole head. As a natural who has been growing her hair for 3 years, I have tried it all. I have tried different DIY recipes. I have tried store-bought recipes, but this particular one is a game changer. Just watch to the end. You're going to see how my coil pattern is going to change. This thing defined my curls. This DIY deep conditioner defined my curls. So just watch to the end to see for yourself. What do you think about the recipe? Do you think it's something you love to try? Let me know in the comment section, and also remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you are yet to do so. Also share this video with your family and friends, especially if you've been dealing or you know someone that has been dealing with dryness, breakage or stunted hair growth. They definitely need to add this deep conditioner. into their hair care routine, even if it is just for a month, once a month. So here I am done applying the product to my entire hair. Remember, I explained why I am not applying it to the roots. It is not important to me. You can go ahead and apply yours if you wish, but I'll advise against that because it may lead to itching if you're unable to rinse it out or wash it out properly. So next, I'm going to steam the hair using this garbage bag. You can use any plastic available. If you have a hair steamer, anything that you can use to steam your hair, you can sit under the dryer, you can use your hand dryer, anything you have. So this is after 30 minutes. I waited for 30 minutes. So now I'll go ahead and rinse out the whole our homemade conditioner from my hair. Just make sure that you rinse out everything. Rinse it out, because if you don't, your hair is going to smell, then you're going to itch. Just take your time and rinse it out. So after this, I am going to go in with my rinse out conditioner. You know why? To remove the smell from the egg. Remember, we added egg, and you all know how an egg smells. So I'm going to use that rinse out conditioner just to remove the smell of the egg. So after that, I went ahead to rinse out the conditioner. I later noticed that I missed the spots. I saw some of the products on my hair. I later rinsed it out off camera. So for now, just look at my curls. Look at how defined my curls are. I have never seen my hair in this state. Just look at how beautiful my hair is. I think it is the avocado. Just look at that. Can you see my curls? I have never had that. So this is me being so excited. I couldn't help. I was just looking. I was like, really? Is this my hair? My hair feels super hydrated and so much easier to manage. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. And this is the amount of hair I lost from start to finish.